So this is Kira, guys. She is so excited to drive her new second-hand car. So Kira, what can you say?
I feel very happy, very glad.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Now my vlog today is about the new car that my daughter has. So we just bought this car yesterday in Laurel, Maryland. This is the Toyota Camry 2009 model, and it has 73,000 mileage, and the price of the car is $5,000. So actually the owner of the car posted this in Craigslist for $6,600, but he lowered it to $5,000. So we grabbed the opportunity for the price of the car. So we bought it yesterday. My daughter Kira is so excited to drive this car, but we still have to process the new tag. So Toyota Camry 2009 model with 73,000 mileage. This car, guys, has already been inspected by the Maryland inspection. So this is good to go for the transfer of the car title, because one of the requirements for the transfer of the car title is Maryland inspection. So this car passed already, so all the damages were fixed. So this is really a good price, guys. This is really a good deal for $5,000 2009 Toyota Camry with 73,000 mileage. And you know, Kira is still a new driver. She just passed the driver skill test 3 weeks ago. So she just needs a second-hand car. It's really a good deal. The previous owner of this car, guys, is an old man. He is 87 years old and he cannot drive anymore. So that's why he wanted to sell his car. He posted this in Craigslist, and my husband was able to see this one the other week. Well, we didn't have time to communicate with the owner, so we just went yesterday in their place in Laurel, Maryland. This is the inside of the car, guys. It still looks good. We'll check, guys. Sounds so good. And this is a power window. That. Yeah, this is the radio, the CD part, and the desk and the aux. We have AM, FM stations. Yeah, it's just a basic one, guys. So not really a high-end car, because this is a 2009 model. But this still runs good. Right. So this is the mileage. It's 73,415. Also, right in the steering wheel, you can adjust the volume of the radio. Like this is for, if you wanna have a loud volume, this is the plus and the minus. And this one is if you wanna change the station of the radio, so you can use this one also, the up and down. My daughter will clean this one later. She wants to sanitize this car. And the tire is new. Here, it's new. So this is Kira, guys. She is so excited to drive her new second-hand car. So Kira, what can you say?
I feel very happy, very glad. Thank you to my mother for buying this car. Well, I pay partially
Where are you gonna drive?
to work and school.
You excited to go to school this coming fall?
Yeah.
So what you gonna do here? What course you wanna take?
Well, I'm trying to get my associate degree in nursing and take the NCLEX test to become a registered nurse.
Okay, that's a good plan, Kier. Well, good luck this coming fall, 2021, on August. So you really need this car, right?
This is Cruise.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna move it there.
Okay. Careful. Yeah, as parents, guys, we really provided our children their needs, because I have 4 children and we provided each child a car. That van over there is for my son. Toyota Sienna van, that's for my son. And this is for Kira, for my youngest daughter. We just newly bought. And a Toyota Camry 2009, the same with this car. This car is for my other daughter, Leanne. And we also bought that one from Craigslist for $6,000, and the mileage was 50,000. And this car is for my eldest daughter, and this is a Toyota Corolla 2015. So that's pretty much it, guys. I'm just sharing that as parents, we really provided the needs of our children, because that's very important in order for them to be successful. So we have to help them. Alright, guys, thank you for watching. So if you like this video, please don't forget to click subscribe and the bell button down below. Also click like and share, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.